Okay, problem number 14. Triangle FGH is shown below. What is the measure of angle FGH? So basically what I need to do is I need to highlight FGH. Okay? And the center letter of FGH is basically angle G, which is the corner of the angle. So that's the angle we're looking for. So I'm going to put a little question mark there because that's the one I'm looking for. And like I said, before I can get there to the question mark, I need to figure out what this angle is. So I know the blue dot and angle 46 are equal to each other. Or not equal to each other. They make a straight line. So it's 180 degrees. So I can basically say 180 minus 46 gives me 134. So now that that 46 has served its purpose, I'm going to mark it out. Now I'm going to use 24 and 134 to figure out the third angle that's inside of the triangle. So we know we're dealing with a triangle, so I can basically say 24 plus 134 gives me 158, and then I'm going to subtract that from 180. Okay, so 180 minus 158 gives me 22. So the question mark, or the missing angle, which is known as FGH, is 22 degrees. Okay, the next problem number 15, it states, triangle PQR is shown below. What is the measure of angle QRS? So QRS. Now, if you notice, the angle that we're opening towards is the outside angle. So this is the angle I'm looking for. But before I can get there, I need the angle that's right beside the one that I just highlighted, which is QRS. So if I notice that this is a triangle, so I can basically say 42 plus 62. 42 plus 62 gives me 104. And this is a triangle I'm dealing with, so I can subtract 104 from 180. And that gives me 76. So that means the third inside angle of the triangle is 76. Now I can use 76 to figure out what the outside angle is. And 76 and the outside angle make a straight line. So basically I can say 180 minus 76. And that gives me the outside angle, which is 104. So angle QRS is 104 degrees, which is answer choice B. Moving on to problem number 16. In the figure below, lines M and N are parallel. What is the value of X? So once again, if I know this is 2x plus 7, then this is also 2x plus 7 because these two angles are vertical to each other. Now, the next thing I can do is 133 can help us find this other angle that's inside of the triangle. So we know they make a straight line. So 180 minus 133 gives me 47. So this third angle is 47. Now the other angle, the 122, can help me find the third missing angle. And if you notice, they make a straight line. So I can just say 180 minus 122. And that gives me 58. Remember, once I've used 133 and 122, I can mark them out because they serve this purpose. And same thing goes for this equation up here, the 2x plus 7. Now, right in the middle, we have a triangle, okay? It's right there. And we know we have an equation, so that means I'm going to set up my equation by saying angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 180. So I'll start with the equation. Angle 1 is 2x plus 7 plus angle 2, which can be 47, plus angle 3, which is 58, equals 180. Now, step 1 in this equation is to combine like terms. And if you notice, there's only one number that has an x, the 2x. So I'm just going to bring that down. However, I can combine 7 plus 47 plus 58. And that gives me 112. Then bring down your equals 180. Now the opposite of adding 112 is to subtract 112. So I'm left with 2x equals 180 minus 112, and that gives me 68. Then the opposite of multiplying by 2 is to divide by 2. So x comes out to be 34. Now, let's go back to the question. What is the value of x? The value of x is 34. They then asked me for the measurement of an angle, so there's no need for me to try to plug anything in. So my final answer has to be A, 34.